Welcome on Cricket Studio channel. South Africa wins series 2-0 Sri Lanka home 2024. South Africa beat Sri Lanka to boost WTC final hopes. South Africa 358, Villiers wicketkeeper 101, Rickelton 101 and 370, Bhoma 66, Jayasuriya 5 129. Sri Lanka 328, Nasanka 89, Peterson 571 and 238, Dhananjay De Silva captain 50, Mehraj 576. South Africa win by 109 runs, win series 2-0. South Africa moved a step closer to the World Test Championship final with the 109 run victory over Sri Lanka. The Deportes need just 14.1 overs to make the 5 remaining Sri Lanka wicket on day 5 in the Eastern Cape and square a 2-0 series win that take them above Australia to the top of the WTC table. Boama side will guarantee their place in their Lord's final in June if they win both tests in their two-match series against Pakistan, that being on Boxing Day. Sri Lanka opened the day on 205 for 5, needing another 143 to win at Gorgio Park, with Dhananjay De Silva and Kusal Mendes continuing a stand that had reached 83 on day 4. However, left-arm spinner Keshav Maharaj broke the partnership in the fourth over of the day as Mendes edged to slip. Kagiso Rabada and Dhananjay De Silva caught behind 14 balls later, and the tourist quick crumbled to 238 all out. They last 5 wickets going down for 19 runs. Maharaj took 3 of the wicket to fail on the 5th morning to complete his 11th 5 wicket haul in test. Century for Kyle Villiers and Ryan helped set up the victory for South Africa, while 35 years old Simmer Dane Peterson claimed his maiden test 5 to earn them a narrow first inning lead. Bouma and Andy Markham then made half centuries in the host second inning to set a challenging target of 348 that ultimately proved behind Sri Lanka. Australia beat India and series level 1-1. Wait, please, guys. India Australia second test day 3. Australia beat India by 10 wickets in Adelaide to level series 1-1. An abject batting display in the grueling 12th phase on Saturday had the Australia pace attack streamroll the India top order. Australia beat India by 10 wickets, chasing 90 runs as Pat Cummins take 5 wickets to blunder bundle out India for 175 in the second inning on day 3 at the Adelaide Oval. An abject batting display and the grueling twirling face on Saturday had the Australia pace tag streamroll the India top order opener KL Rahul and Jaiswal. Feeble resistance made the ones fell on Gill, Virat Kohli and Rohit Sharma to put up a fight after Travis had pushed Australia to a 157 run first inning lead with this blustering 141 ball 140. Gill was undone by a Mitchell Starc classic in swinger rattling this stump while Kohli offered Boland has outside edge in the fourth stump channel. And if Rohit could not make most of his early reprieve as his counterpart Pat Cummins cleaned up the Indian captain with the pitch kissing the top of stump with the 29-run deflect. India will be hoping for more dribbling and a stable stand at the same time when Rishabh Pant and Nitish Kumar Reddy return to the crease. Uh, Great week. This is how we want to play. I was happy with the Pfeiffer. Good to get a few wicket on Stark. Amazing. Never much knows within the group. He amazing. He knows. He done it time and time again. He has done for a decide. He had loves batting here again. One of those two momentum shift could have gone either way when he walked out to bad day. Main thing was the lead just happened that it was pretty good time to bowl as well. Scored fight it in like as he always hope. Hopefully Josh back next week. Nice to get disappointing week for us. We didn't play Australia played better than us. We failed to grab our opportunities. What we did in Perth was special. We wanted to do that again, but every test match has its own challenge. We are looking forward to it. Gaba test, some really good memories there. We want to start well and play well. Nice to get some runs again. Moved well last week. I feel like I am in good form, good dressing to be in. Nothing every granted. Nice momentum and no, we have to move on with it. I feel like there was a good opportunity against the second new ball. Nice that it came off. Century celebration did it for Miller as well. Nice to have them here and it been a nice week. It been a good week. We were pretty good throughout. Where we were concerned, we left Perth in Perth prepared the we normally do. No sacred work hard and see how we go. We spend a lot of time together. We get the job done. We did a fair bit of good stuff in the last test. That it Khwaja pulled a short one against Siraj for a boundary to take Australia to a 10 wicket win. Excellent comeback from the host from Perth. Australia continue to keep its pink ball record intact while India might consider playing more pink ball game. The batting is still a worrying sign. They could not go past 200 in both innings on a surface that was better than what it was in Perth. Rohit Sharma has no lost four tests in a row and his score to continue to suffer this series as level 1-1 going to Gaba. We will be back with the presentation. But both Jasprit Bumrah and Mohammad Siraj haven't taken the new ball for India. It is not much they can do in this given station, but if they can manage to pick a couple of wickets, it might just put a little dent in the confidence of the batter going forward into the next test. Especially MC how did score a great 30 in the first inning, but they were occasion he has hoping against Bumrah. Having said that, the wicket still is excellent for batting. One thing India's seamers did not do much was try to bounce out Australia batters, whereas Australia bowler use bouncers to very good effect. India to lose second test against Australia. England win against New Zealand. England Sale Series 2-0 win. England Grant Series win over New Zealand with 323 run hammering off host in second test. England 323 runs victory is their seventh largest victory all time in terms of runs. It helped clinch a first away series win in 2 years and first success in New Zealand since 2008. Joe Root noticed not 36 test tune earlier on day 3 to join Rahul Dravid tied for fifth on all-time list. Joe Root 106 opened the third day by noting his 36 test tune brought up with a reverse ramped for to see him join Rahul Dravid in a tie for fifth among the game's most profile century maker. England having resumed the morning on 378 5 declared in their second inning ultimately declared on 427-6 with the fail of Root wicket and immediately set about the New Zealand top order with the ball. Set a record 583 to win. Chris Woakes 220 and Brandon Curse 253 combined to reduce the black cap to 59-4 on the stroke of lunch before Tom Blunden 150 enjoyed himself in the afternoon with the thrilling 96 ball 100. New Zealand never came close to threatening most epic of comeback throw with Shoaib Bashir to 110 accounting for the wicketkeeper batsman before England's keeper Ben Stokes 3-5 ran through the tail in a devastating 3-over burst to warp it the most empathetic of victories. England captain Ben Stokes press conference. It amazing to be stood here winning the series, especially after being 43-4 on day 1. Looking back to the start of this game, Harry Brook and Ollie Pope were just amazing on day 1 to go out and play like that. In cricket terms, that wicket is what we call a snake pit. It was doing plenty on day 1, a lot of assistance for the bowler, but to have the bravery backing your own ability and also the skill to go out and play like that was absolutely phenomenal. We been unbelievable with the ball out the way Harry Brook played on day 1 set the game up for us. We see giving guys the opportunities to go out and express themselves in through condition as the best way to see what they're about. Joker Bethel has continually show us what he's about and show the world what he's about as well. Latham press conference were hurting it disappointing to lose in that finish. We only put up around 129 the first inning and that put us on the back foot. Credit where credit is due. That was fantastic from England. They had one guy, Brook, that took it away. The way in which he took input us under pressure. He played some unbelievable shots. They keep their foot on the thread. We haven't been able to observe that pressure and put it back on them. It hurt that we didn't play our best. The guys tried really hard. I am not doubting the effort. We came in today with the hope of putting up some good partnership, but that didn't happen. Well, turn up in Hamilton with the aspiration of winning the last test match. We know we have been our best, but well, try and turn that around. थैंक्स स्ट्रीमिंग एंडिड। मिलते हैं अब आपको अगली वीडियो में।